Research reveals that environments can increase or reduce our stress, which in turn impacts our bodies. What you are seeing, hearing, experiencing at any moment is changing not only your mood, but how your nervous, endocrine, and immune systems are working. The stress of an unpleasant environment can cause you to feel anxious or sad or helpless. This in turn elevates your blood rate, blood pressure, heart rate, and muscle tension, and suppresses your immune system. A pleasing environment reverses that. And regardless of age or culture, humans find nature pleasing. In one study cited in the book Healing Gardens, researchers found more than two-thirds of people choose a natural setting to retreat to when stressed. Being in nature, or even viewing nature scenes of nature, reduces anger, fear, and stress to increase pleasant feelings. Exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, it contributes to your physical well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. It may even reduce mortality, according to scientists such as public health researchers Stamakis and Mitchell. Research done in hospitals, offices, and schools have found that even a simple plant in a room can have a significant impact on stress and anxiety. In addition, nature helps us cope with pain. Because we are genetically programmed to find trees, plants, water, and other nature elements engrossing, we are absorbed by nature scenes and distracted from our pain and discomfort. This is nicely demonstrated in a now classic study of patients who underwent gallbladder surgery. Half had a view of trees and half had a view of a wall. According to the physician who conducted the study, Robert Ehrlich, the patients with a view of trees tolerated pain better, appeared to nurses to have fewer negative effects, and spent less time in hospital. More recent studies have shown similar results with scenes from nature and plants in hospital rooms. One of the most intriguing areas of current research is the impact of nature on general well-being. In one study in Mind, 95% of those interviewed said their mood improved after spending time outside, changing from depressed, stressed, and anxious to more calm and balanced. Other studies by Ehrlich, Kim, and Cervanek show that time in nature or scenes of nature are associated with a positive mood and psychological well-being, meaningfulness, and vitality. Furthermore, time in nature or viewing nature scenes increases our ability to pay attention. Because humans find nature inherently interesting, we can naturally focus on what we are experiencing out in nature. This also provides a respite for our overactive minds, refreshing us for new tasks.